Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate random email of your ZTE RedMagic 10R. Alright, so we are on the IMEI.info page, just like always, and now in this bar simply type the IMEI number of your device. If you don't know how to check it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible options on this site, and also I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number of your device. So once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now simply scroll down. In here you can also read the basic information about your device, but we need to scroll down a little bit more into the downside, and in here we have the basic checks. And the third option from the top is the random email generator. We can click on that. Now click on this blue button. Okay, now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, and now as you can see we have the 10 random emails of our device. If you want to copy the email number, you need to click on that icon where I'm pointing at, and also if you want, you can copy all 10 emails by clicking on this white button, copy all emails. And also if you want, you can generate emails for other brands by clicking on this blue button. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.